Frugal friends, welcome back. I am so excited to open up this package from Diving with Purpose, one of our longtime YouTube friends and fellow divers. Did a little bit of peeking, and holy cow, you outdid yourself, woman. And I'm so happy. Let's just jump in, shall we? Look at this. Just tell me if you can believe this, and if on this earth there is a more fitting gift for our family. Are you ready? Can you handle this? Look at this. It is a ginormous bag of Legos. This is a fortune in a bag. If you are Lego people, like we are Lego people, you know the generosity right here. This is love. This is real friendship. That's what this is. Oh, the hours of fun we are gonna have with this. Okay, moving right along. There is, oh, oh, I gotta show my mom. Look at it's Elvis fabric. When Lulu was a baby, she's sitting here with me. When Lulu was a baby, I did all of her blanket for her crib and the bumper, like the soft cushiony thing around it, and the mobile and everything. The curtains too. All of it I did in Elvis fabric. Yeah, like, oh, I was raised on Elvis. I love Elvis. This is madness, glorious madness. Let's see. Oh, it's more Elvis. What is this? Oh, it's a tote bag. A canvas tote bag that you make, and I just happen to have a sewing machine. And I'm gonna make this. You know I'm gonna put this sucker together. Stay tuned. I'm gonna put this together and I'll bring you guys along for the ride. Okay, let me set these down. Okay. Coloring cute cats. Look at that. Olivia's super excited. Oh no. Oh no. I think it's gonna be coloring time again real soon. I can't get over the Elvis. Okay, what do I like better, the Elvis or the Legos? I don't think that's a question that I can answer. I don't think so. All right. Oh my gosh, Lulu, look at this. And I'll show you guys too. How about that? Sorry, Lulu. So this is called Metro Streets Block Tech. Look at this. It's got a fire, is that a fire truck or an emergency vehicle? The mailbox on fire, and these guys come in to save the day. I think we'll do a video, like an entire video of just this. So stay tuned for that as well. But it might be on the kids' channels, maybe. I'll let you know. But I think we're gonna do a review and a put together of this. Like, it's funny because Reagan, who came dumpster diving with me today, I'm recording this on Sunday, or not Reagan, Lulu. Lulu came dumpster diving with me, but then Reagan came shopping with me after dumpster diving. And all he would talk about was Legos, Legos, Legos. And when are we going to the Lego store again? And blah, 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 blah. But he, of course, is out playing with friends. So he's going to see all this when he comes in. Yeah, I couldn't have them with me this time because they're out playing with friends, and they would have wanted to bring the friends in, and it would have been madness, and no. Oh, look at it's a whole collection. Oh, we have to open it. We're readers. We love to read. And most of you know that, I'm sure. Look at all of these awesome, oh, and it's a rainbow and it's Garfield. Oh, it's my childhood and I love rainbows. Oh, but all of these fabulous bookmarks. There's another Garfield right there. Save my place. Oh,
That's so cute.
isn't that wonderful? That's treasure right there. That is treasure. It's like I'm like 10 years old again. Oh. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Lulu. What? 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 Sequins.
They're headbands. Wait, wait.
Hold on. Just, there you go. See? There.
From the blue one.
See, now the secret with things like sequins and anything sparkly, my mom taught me this, and I've taught my children, and now I'm teaching you. You squint your eyes. And if I take off my glasses, that's just my natural reflex anyway. You squint your eyes and you bring them up real close. And if you move them around while you're squinting your eyes, you get a fireworks display. And then look at these gorgeous jewelry sets. You know we'll use these. We love jewelry. We're all about jewelry. But there's more. Oh no! And I don't have Goofy. Well, now I do. I have Goofy. Oh. I am going to put Goofy on this front entryway table where we have our book baskets and stuff like that right here as we walk in the door. That is where Mr. Goofy is going to go. But yes, the kids will be allowed to play with him, but his home will be on the front entry table. Oh, Lulu. You know us, Diving with Purpose. You know us. Disney's greatest. It has Strangers Like Me, Reflection, I Won't Say I'm in Love, Out There, You've Got a Friend in Me, Just Around the River Bend, Circle of Life, A Whole New World, Beauty and the Beast, Kiss the Girl, and Once Upon a Dream. Oh. And my very favorite of all Disney songs. This is for the record. My very favorite. When You Wish Upon a Star. And it's got it.
And it's glittery.
Oh, look how cute these are. Shopkins. Mariah is in love with Shopkins. And Despicable Me, little minions. Do-do-do-do-do.
And I need pencils too.
And, yep, Olivia does need pencils. And then, what is this? Oh, this says, okay, this is really awesome. It says open on camera, and that is so important. If you do decide to share anything with the Frugal family that we will proudly display on camera and in our home, let me know, whether you tell us on Facebook or on here in a message, or on the package itself. Let me know if that's something that you want opened on camera, because if you do, we certainly will. Okay, so I'm not sure what I'm supposed to open first though. I'm gonna open this first. Come on, fingers. Oh, oh no, look, oh. It's this beautiful Texas magnet. Has all the, okay, so when the state was, what's the word? Not founded, ratified? I'm not sure what the word is. When it became part of the Union. December 29th, 1845. I didn't know that. The 28th state has the size of the state, which is ginormous. The capital, Austin. The bird, mockingbird. I didn't know that. The flower, blue bonnet. That's going in my garden, Diving with Purpose. That's going to be in my garden. And the slogan, Lone Star State. I did know that one. Oh, that's gorgeous. All right, that is going on the fridge, the newly cleaned fridge, which is our display place for all the fabulous magnets that you guys share with us. I'm so excited to put that up there. And then, oh, it's beautiful. At first I thought maybe it was an American flag, but, well, I mean, it is. It's Texas. Texas is part of America. Oh, look at this, the Texas state flag. That's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Okay, now we'll open this. Uh-oh, Mimi, can't have friends in here. I'm recording. We don't let friends be on the videos for their privacy. Okay, go out there. You go out there, okay? Thinking of you. I'm not sure if you want me to read this out loud, though. Okay, all right, go ahead. I'm not sure if you want me to read this out loud, but you did say open on camera. So I'm assuming that means read it. I hope that's okay.
Maybe you should read over it first.
Uh,
Read it aloud.
Well, I'm going to go ahead and read it, and then if I feel like it's anything that she didn't mean to share with everyone, then I can edit that out. Hey, Julie, that's me. I have enjoyed your channel for a while. I have been wanting to send you and the kids some dumpster treasures, but finances held me back. I understand. I think most of us know that feeling. I stuffed the box to the max. That is the way to do it, especially with flat rate boxes. They are, as someone who ships a lot of stuff because of eBay, flat rate boxes, guys, and flat rate bags. Learn about them. If it fits, it ships. LOL. Most of the items are from dumpster diving. That makes me so happy. Hope y'all will enjoy. When I found the Elvis items, I knew you would love it. Those are from the bins? The fabric? The Elvis fabric? Oh, you. When I noticed your magnet board didn't have the biggest, look at this, biggest state. Oh, you Texans. Biggest state in the U.S., I had to send you a magnet of the great state of Texas. Thank you for being a passionate diver. God bless. Your friend Cynthia, Diving with Purpose. I hope that's okay that I read your name out loud. I am going to message Diving with Purpose and make sure before I post this that it's okay to mention her name there. And I will treat all of you with the exact same respect. If there are things that you don't want said or shown on these videos, please tell us, all right? We just are so thrilled and grateful and amazed and shocked to receive such generous gifts, and we want to respect your gift however you would like us to. Okay. Oh, there's something else in there. Oh! Oh, they're more magnets. They're more magnets, and they're Disney. Get this open. I might get it open. If you didn't know that I like Disney, I like Disney. Okay. Oh no. Mimi is going to be so excited. She's our blondie in the family, and she will not let me cut her hair because she wants to be Rapunzel from Tangled. Even though she hates getting her hair brushed, she will not let me cut it, which is fine with me. Okay, the other two, oh, there's Goofy. Oh, and did you notice that, fingers, that Rapunzel has beads? Mr. Goofy. And, oh no,
What is it?
Elsa with beads. Wait till Mimi sees this. Mimi! You're not gonna believe it! Now, here is gonna be the trick. Keeping these on the fridge. Mimi, come look at this. I might let her have these ones.
I heard you from outside.
It's Elsa on a magnet and Rapunzel on a magnet. Oh, and Goofy. But Goofy, how about I'll let you use those two and you can use them on the door. We have a metal door full of magnets, as you can see. These are our play magnets that we get to play with. They make sound, huh? I think we're gonna let Mimi, if it's okay with diving with purpose, we're gonna let Mimi have those two for on the door. But put them on the door, honey, so they don't get lost. But Goofy, we'll either squeeze him onto the dumpster magnet board or else he'll go on the fridge. But I think we can squeeze him onto the magnet board. Okay. Oh my goodness. Awesomeness everywhere. And then this, this is an open off camera, which I'm going to do, and I'm going to respect her wishes. It's so exciting. Oh my gosh. Oh, Reagan. Ugh. Are you ready, Reagan? Come over here so they can see you. No, over here. I've been waiting to show Reagan, but he's been riding his bike and playing with friends, and I didn't want to pull him away. But come over here, right over here.
Reagan's closing his eyes.
Okay, ready?
Open.
Open.
Reagan, close your eyes. Close your eyes. I already said it.
You frugal friends make my day. You just make us so happy. Reagan's gonna go play with the Legos right now because we already have Legos down. Yeah.
Minnie and Daisy. So now we have Goofy.
Isn't that awesome? Now we just need to find a Donald, huh? And we already have Eeyore. And we have Winnie the Pooh, huh? We have a few Winnie the Poohs.
Yeah, we have a tiny one, a sleepy one,
Wait, this one is for
and
you.
the normal one.
That's true.
Wait, this one is for you.
Okay, but will you go put him on that front table right there? That's where he's gonna live. But we will be able to play with him.
Can friends come in?
No friends in right now. Not just
in
now.
The kitchen being really quiet.
No. I am so excited to listen to my favorite songs, to plant these in the spring. We will have Texas blue bonnets strewn throughout our yard. How beautiful will that be? A little piece of Texas right here in my own garden. Oh, and jewelry and all this and bookmarks because we're going to be reading like crazy and magnets and I'm a bit of a mess. It's been a long, busy, wonderful day, and this is just the cherry on top of it all. You guys, my frugal friends, you are amazing. You're so amazing, and I just appreciate you with all that I am and with all that I am trying to accomplish. You guys make it possible through your encouragement, your kindness, your generosity, through all the sweet things that you say and do, and for the impact you are trying to make. It all adds up, and it all brings me so much joy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I hope you have a fabulous, fabulous day, a wonderful week, and that good things happen in your life. We'll see you all really, really soon.